Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So today, me, Muhammad Danial Ibrahim, 19 DPM 18F 2039, and my friend.
Muhammad Azhan Fikri bin Muhammad Mahir, 19 DPM 18F 2014. So today we're gonna talk about the difference between
Rainforest Walker and Mountain Explorer. So check this out. We start from the function. For rainforest boot, basically, rainforest boot are hiked to give support and stay on your feet when pulling yourself from the deep mud. They have screened in-step drainage vents and they have an insole that pump air around the foot.
Okay, next is mountaineering boot. Okay, mountaineering boot are a type of footwear used in mountain climbing. They are designed specifically for moving over harsh terrain.
For the characteristic, we know that rainforest boots have many characteristics, but today I just want to share three main characteristics for the rainforest boot. So number one is comfortable. Comfortable is important to consider that the ideal shoe for trekking through a temperate wilderness may not work well in the rainy tropic. This is number one. And number two is safety. Safety is most important quality. And the number three, waterproof. Waterproof to keep your feet comfortable and always dry. Okay, for the mountain walker, Azhan, can you share about the mountain
Okay, the
walker?
characteristic for mountaineering boot. Okay, first, the extra height and steepness of mountaineering boots help support the climber in steep terrain where flexible boots could cause ensure footing and possible result in a fall. Okay, next, this extra stiffness is traditionally achieved through the use of a full steel shank. Through some manufacture have begun to use carbon fiber to create the necessary stiffness.
We move to the next, special features. I give you three special features for rainforest walker. Number one is full grain leather upper. To ensure quality, we put our leather through 6 different tests before making our selection, and the test can choose the strongest and most durable form leather. And number two, Gore-Tex technology. What is Gore-Tex technology? Gore-Tex technology is 100% waterproof and breathable. Gore-Tex liners ensure that no water get in, while allowing sweat and moisture to get out. And number three is triple stitch. Hyper strong treats is used for triple stitch our strongest boots. And for the mountain walker,
Okay, for mountaineering boots, special features for mountaineering boots is warm to prevent frostbite in extreme cold condition. Synthetic insulation is incorporated into the boot. Okay, lighter weight boots are classified as a single boot. Okay, these single boots are insulated as a single unit with the insulation being permanently attached to the rest of the boot.
okay guys, so we're gonna talk about the last section in this video, which is advantages that you should know and how much you can get this boot. So for the rainforest boot, the advantages is lighter and not expensive, and you can get the shoes or boot for a price $95, and in the ringgit Malaysia is 475 ringgit Malaysia. So we move to mountain boots.
Okay, for mountain explorers advantages is comfortable and water resistant. And you guys can get this boot for price $110, and for Malaysian ringgit is 550 Malaysian ringgit.
Thank you so much for watching this video. We hope that this video can help you guys to know much about rainforest walker and mountain walker. Bye.